Welcome to ATS. In case you didn't know, we are officially on the hunt for the holy grail of automated trading strategies.
We take raw code, we break it, we fix it, and then we see if it can actually survive out there in the live market.
And today we're looking at strategy number 5, enhanced. We're calling this one the session filter discovery.
Quick disclaimer before we dig in. This is all for educational content only. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results, and all trading involves a substantial risk of loss.
So please, never trade with money you cannot afford to lose.
All right, let's get into it.
Strategy number 5 is, it's a weird one. We honestly thought it was dead on arrival.
Oh, yeah.
It sat in our incubator for, it was literally months and took exactly 3 trades. It was a total zombie.
It was a zombie because it was designed to be, incredibly picky. To understand why, you have to look at the engine.
Okay.
We built it on this idea of a triple indicator alignment. It needs 3 very specific momentum indicators to all scream go at the exact same time.
So what's the first one?
First up, a MACD. Just your standard 12, 26, 9 settings, looking for a fresh crossover.
Got it. So that's your basic trend confirmation right there.
Right. But then we layered on RSS, that's relative strength stochastics, and then a double stochastic that we applied to that RSS.
Wait, a derivative of a derivative?
Exactly. And here's the kicker. It only triggers at the absolute extremes. It has to be over 90 for a long or under 10 for a short.
Okay, that explains the silence. You're waiting for a perfect storm that almost never happens.
It was safe, but it was just uselessly slow. The wake-up call came when we stopped looking at the logic and started looking at the clock. We switched the time frame to 80 minutes.
80 minutes. Why that specifically?
It just divides the U.S. trading day up really cleanly, and all of a sudden the engine just roared to life. We went from 3 trades to 144.
Wow.
And not only that, a 60% win rate and a profit factor of 2.43.
A 2.43 is solid, but that brings up the whole efficiency problem, right? This is like the restaurant dilemma we always talk about.
Yeah.
If you keep your trading strategy open 24 hours a day,
You're basically running a diner.
Yeah.
You're catching every little move. Sure. It's like serving that 3 a.m. crowd. You're selling food, but your overhead, your risk, the choppy price action, it just eats your margins.
but if you only open for the dinner rush, you serve fewer customers, but your profit per table should skyrocket. You're not wasting money.
And that's exactly what the data showed. The baseline 80-minute version was profitable, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But when we audited the trades, the overnight and pre-market stuff was just noise.
How much noise?
It had a profit factor of like 1.86. That's not terrible, but it was definitely diluting the really strong daytime performance.
So you applied the subtraction method,
Right.
you turned on the session filter in our template and locked it down.
Yep, strictly 8:30 a.m. to 3:00 p.m. That's it.
And the trade count must have plummeted.
Oh, massively. It dropped by 69%, down to just 45 trades. But, and this is the key look at the efficiency, the profit factor nearly doubled. It jumped from 2.43 all the way up to 4.17.
That's the dinner rush effect right there. You trade less, but the quality of each signal is just twice as good.
And the average value per trade went from about $1,280 to over $2,200.
So what about the direction? You remember with strategy number 4, it just hated shorting?
It was allergic to shorts, yeah. Number 5 is different. Our diagnostics showed that shorts were profitable with about a 2.13 profit factor, but the longs were still way better at 2.77.
This really shows how the template works, It's not just a safety net, it's a diagnostic tool.
Exactly.
Strategy number 4 told us it needed a direction filter. This one, strategy number 5, told us it needed a time filter.
Precisely. It's about listening to what the strategy is bad at and then just turning that off. By removing the bad hours, all that overnight chop, we turned a pretty good strategy into a great one.
So what's the final configuration running in the incubator now?
We locked it in, 80-minute time frame. We did set it to longs only just to maximize that edge we saw. And of course, the session filter is set to true.
And the final numbers on that version?
It gets you 27 super high-quality trades with a massive 4.33 profit factor. Each trade is now worth, on average, over $2,500.
Beat efficiency over volume. Every single time. Strategy number 5, enhanced, is now running in the incubator with those exact settings and microsizing. We've put the link to the full strategy details in the description below.
Follow the hunt.
We're ATS, Automated Trading Strategies, follow the black squirrel.
And we're just getting started.